There's a beehive in this tree. This is March 6th, 2023. I was driving down the road. I stopped to look at some bluebirds that are in the tree over there. And I discovered a beehive in a tree. So, this is my nature video. That's the first time I've seen a beehive in a tree. You can see the little hole there. Close enough I don't get stung, but you know, it's pretty cold and they're pretty docile, I think. But yeah, that tree is going to be full of honey later on. And it's real early in spring, being March 6th, so I'm not really sure where they're getting a lot of food, but apparently they are going to make it. So there you go, beehive in a tree.